so quiet in there.
This has become one of my favorite songs, and I don't know why, because I'm the one that has to sing it. Usually that's not my favorite one. But this is a song that I really believe in, and when I see people who tell me that they believe this song, it makes me feel good. Because I preached a series one day, Preston, of 1 month, 3 or 4 sermons, and I preached hard about how to know for sure that you're saved, how to be positive that you're saved forever. And I preached it hard. I forget 3 or 4 different sermons. And on the last Sunday, as we were going out, I was at the back door, and a lady came out and she said, "Preacher, I just want you to know that was one of the finest series of sermons I've ever heard in my life." And I said, "Thank you, I appreciate that. It's so wonderful to know for sure that you're saved." And she said, "Yes, sir, I hope I go to heaven." And that has bothered me. That's been 10, 12 years ago. That has bothered me ever since. And in this song, it would be different if the Bible didn't tell us plainly that we can be sure that we're saved. The Bible very plainly tells us that, and it very plainly tells us how to know. But even if the Bible didn't, every Christian understands what I'm talking about. You know it. You know it, and this is how. There are some people who say you cannot tell whether we are saved or whether all is well. They say we only can hope, trust that it is so. But I was there when it happened, and so I guess I ought to know. Yes, I know when Jesus saved me, saved my soul. Very moment He forgave me, made me whole. He took away my heavy burden. Lord, He gave me peace within. Peace within. Satan can't make me doubt it. I won't doubt it. It's real and I'm gonna shout it. I'm gonna shout it. I was there when it happened, so I guess I ought to know. I don't care who tells me salvation is not real. Though the world may argue that we cannot feel the heavy burdens lifted and the vile sins go. I was there when it happened, so I guess I ought to know. Yes, I know when Jesus saved me, saved my soul. The very moment He forgave me, made me whole. He took away the heavy burden. Lord, He gave me peace within. Peace within.